Who is Dr. Ekpo Edet?
Consultant gynecologist, advanced gynecoscopic surgeon. Is the medical director of Hope Alive Endoscopy and Fertility Clinic. Thank you. Cheers.
We are performing a diagnostic laparoscopy for a patient experiencing infertility. A scope is introduced to examine the pelvis. We identify two key findings.
Diagnostic laparoscopy is a case of infertility. The patient has been trying to conceive for some time now, so we want to check what the problem is. We are going to check both tubes, try to check both tubes. Already we've introduced gas into the abdomen, so now I'm going to introduce a second instrument. Through this instrument, we're going to pass a telescope to check the abdominal cavity. From the scan that was on, the patient has fibroid. So through this tool, we want to see the fibroid, the location of the fibroid.
Step 2. The laparoscopic procedure.
Let's do the rest is stomachs. Prepare down. So now we're going to check the tubes. You can see fibroid.
We perform adhesiolysis, precisely dividing the scar tissue to free the tubes. A dye test called chromoperturbation confirms both tubes are now open. This is bilateral tubal patency.
So succeeded in opening the right tube. So now I want to check the left tube. The left opening of the left tube, check the left. Yeah, beautiful. It's okay. So
the fibroid will be removed in a future open myomectomy to optimize the uterine environment.
So now we're going to remove the fibroid through a different approach.
This laparoscopic surgery successfully addressed the tubal blockage, a major step forward in the patient's fertility journey.